Hold on. Wait.
The content on
Yeah,
this
let's
day
start with
trading
this one
YouTube channel
today.
is for educational purposes only. It should not be considered as financial advice. Day trading involves substantial risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Consult a qualified professional before engaging in any trading activities. We do not guarantee the accuracy or reliability of the information provided, and trading should only be done with capital you can afford to lose. By accessing this channel, you agree to take full responsibility for your own trading
And
decisions.
everything that beautiful queen right there is saying is entirely true. Do not go chasing after me and following after me, because sometimes I do dumb shit. And today was one of those days where I did something dumb. So if you see here, this is me, right? Enjoying a beautiful piece of avocado toast with bacon on pumpernickel, I believe it is, some type of grain bread, and tomato or tomato. Okay. Um, that was me before I got myself in some trouble here. And this is after I got myself in trouble. So um I'm going to trade a rehab.
SLE.
SLE.
I keep buying into the highs. So I'm trying to think out loud here to keep reinforcing myself. Hey, this is what it looks like. This is what happened last Wednesday. My last trading session. This is what I'm seeing, right? But
SLE.
we're getting these big pops. I'm getting excited, right?
SLE.
And I want to trade it. Once I see it start to move like that, I'm like, oh, here, I want to trade it. I understand that it's too high, so I'm trying to show some discipline here. But eventually, I FOMO into this thing,
SLE.
and I lost 5 times my daily
Volume's picking up. It's just so
average.
choppy.
So I pretty much
581.
double my daily stop
Look
loss.
into this candle. I don't fucking know.
So I'm definitely heading to trader rehab Monday morning. Be
SLE.
down
A nice move. I can't do nothing with
down
it.
at the city bus, looking to get a ride to trader rehab,
came off
to the
some
trader
stuff.
rehab building. So
Yeah,
Monday,
it was like a missed opportunity, but
Monday morning, I'll
really
be
too careful with it. I'm in trouble again if I keep messing with that. I need a nice pullback, something I can really set up.
Yep.
Something like for
Yep.
for it to set up.
Definitely headed to the trader rehab building.
What in the hell just happened?
So now I see this move.
So-
Boom.
SLE. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on here.
I'm going to say
A bunch of that. I tried to take 20 shares.
it's a good chance I'm
that-
looking for a pullback
That's why
on
I didn't
this.
get anything.
See, I'm still not too underwater. I can make this back. It's not a problem. I'm not really worried about that.
SLE. This was sketchy.
So I'm looking for the pullback, and that right there is a nice pullback. We have the VWAP bounce. We have
Almost
the
breaking out,
EMA right
46.
there. This
Pullback
is
to
probably
VWAP.
where I should have looked to take
Big volume candle.
the position.
SLE.
And I'm starting to get the
I can't
perk
get
up
in
a
this
little
thing for
bit.
Yeah, on the pullback, huh? 487. 587.
20
590.
shares, 590. So we push into that $6 level, and we don't rip over the $6 level. That should have been my first clue that this wasn't gonna do what I wanted it to do. We went to go break over the previous high. It didn't break with any real strength, upward momentum. I should have got out there, right? Ideally, where I want to be is buying into the perks off these levels, these pullbacks, and then selling into these highs, maybe leaving a trailer on there just so I can have a better average if it does break out and I have to add to it, which is all sound, but it's hard to do that if you can't control your entries and exits like that. I'm having a little bit of issue on the limit orders, so it is what it is. But yeah, I should have been out into that move right there, into that perk, into resistance, whole dollar resistance. It didn't break. I should have been out into that. I'm holding, right, and I'm just letting the loss compound itself. I'm down 30 something cents right now. That's unacceptable. I should have been out by now.
Sort of what we expected, isn't it?
So I believe I start to average in.
BWM.
There's some averaging in, which is another no-no, especially in the market as I mean, I guess this thing was showing some good strength initially, but I shouldn't have been averaging it down into it. Like, that's ridiculous. Just went on full tilt. Yeah, all these things I know better than. Just went on tilt.
BWM.
Right, and even then, so now I have this larger position, and I'm at my break even mark. I should have got off of half of this, or at least 15 shares. But I'm just kind of being greedy, being stubborn, being hijacked.
SLE 583.
Addicted to this. And that's why I'm going to Trader Rehab Monday morning. I'll be down there at the old Trader Rehab building with a room from Monday
EWM.
till Thursday. Because I got to make some of this back, but I also need to focus on being able to adapt to these environments, or I'm never going to be able to stick around for it. I'm still holding and hoping, and I even got a little profit there. I'm just not selling into it. I'm looking for, hey, I already have the 40 shares. If this thing does break over to $6 and goes for a run, which it could possibly do, which I was hoping it was going to do while I was in it, I want to be involved.
I don't see anybody stepping back into that.
I eventually had to cut the loss. There, so I got off of 15 shares of that. And now we're starting to go on tilt, starting to get out of control here. And again, it comes back up to the level. Right around the break-even mark. I could have sold into that. Chose not to. Chose to hold it. Again, push again. I'm looking for what I'm thinking is going to be some like this sort of breakout here off this sort of flag formation, this kind of wedge formation. Just didn't happen for me. And I didn't manage the position right. It was a poor position management. Even now, like, okay, writing's on the wall, right? It's just gonna break down. Big downside down here. It could break this level. It's clearly holding up to this level. Boom, boom, boom. Looks like it wants to break down below it. I have my volume profile that I like to look for, but it just didn't work on this one. Just holding and hoping. So now I'm down 20 cents. Should have been out.
Yeah, that's right. Not coming back. I'm gonna have to stop out.
Yep, it's not showing no great momentum. It's not showing that it wants to hold the bids. It's just kind of slowly accelerating downwards off this big candle. And eventually I have to start to cut it. And the sad thing is that when I do eventually decide to cut it, I lose a little bit through the slippage because, again, I'm having trouble getting in and out on these limits. And I'm getting out into this sort of flush out with the rest of the fools who tried to trade that 6 and didn't want to get off that $6. But that's what I get. Play stupid games, get stupid prizes.
Right.
Yep, I had to eventually cut it down there. So I'm down 5 times my daily loss. And Monday morning, I'm headed to Trader Rehab. So I'll be in Trader Rehab. I'll be sizing down. I'll be waiting for the open to only use market orders. I'm going to try to give myself every little bit of edge that I can to possibly be able to make some of this money back, right? So I'm going to have to really take my time, move slow, be patient, wait for the bell. All right. And make sure I keep my stop tight. That's it. But don't feel bad for me, though. I deserve it. It is what it is. I'll be in Trader Rehab Monday morning, Monday to Thursday. So, yeah, that's what it is, man. I'll see y'all Monday morning. You can meet me down there at the old Trader Rehab building. I'll be over there for my stay. I'll see y'all Monday. Catch you at Trader Rehab. I'm out. Peace. Yeah, I got the sad face.